Here is how to remove the minimum age restriction on your Instagram profile. So first, you need to go ahead and launch your Instagram application on your mobile device. Log into your specific account and tap on your profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then select the three lines in the top right corner to go to your settings and activity. Now from this page, you need to scroll all the way down and go to Creator Tools and Controls that you will find in the section of For Professionals. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on Minimum Age, that is between Welcome Message and Monetization Status. In here, tap on Remove on the right side and press on Done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.